ginawa yan. But just to prove a point that I'm really interested, that you might have lost some steam, yung sabi ninyong na-snub. So believe me, I don't do that. I was there for 21 hours during the first day. I'll try to follow and talk to Nur. Wala ho akong mga kapatid natin na mga iminit pa. There was never an information or a bit of whatever to announce to us na nandito kayo. So if we can stop the hostilities in the meantime, pati na yung NPA. NPA magkakita ko sa bukid ng of the state just to chika-chika. I think there are still some troops sa gobyerno na nandiyan pa sa inyo. Can I go to you again and ask for their freedom? May mga pulis pa sa Misamis Oriental, I think dalawa. Isang sundalo sa Abusan. If I could maybe visit you and itawan na lang ninyo lahat para umpisa ng usapan sa peace talk. Sabi naman ni, I don't know, there's the news that Joma is coming home. So by that time, I said, I cannot give you the invitation now because I am not the president and I cannot guarantee anything about kind of conduct pass or safety pass, whatever. So yeah, maybe you can wait until the 30th of June. I would, by that time, Sheikh Anshala, Presidente ako, then I can give you the letter inviting you to come over.